Hey friends, another story from lesson 4. Paul and Carol live in the town of Elon, and they work at a small office. They work together and are good friends. They take the bus to their work. They sit behind the desk, one at the side of the other. Their boss sits behind the lecturer in front of them. One day at the office, they receive a message from their boss to prepare a presentation for a client from another country, from Germany. Paul and Carol talk about the work. They prepare ideas and write them on a whiteboard. They want to do a good work. They want to have a good strategy to impress the client. Now they are working and talking or taking time to talk about their lives. Carol talks about her recent trip to England, how she enjoyed London, and Paul talks about his experience in the countryside of the United States of America. They enjoy being together. Now the deadline is coming, that is, the day to present their work is at the door. They put the finishing touches on the presentation. They want to do a good impression on the client. Finally, they have everything in the desk, and the client now opens the door. He is coming from the airport in an SUV. Paul and Carol greet him and do the presentation. They are standing in front of the client at the side of the whiteboard. Carol is on the left and Paul on the right. They talk confidently and answer all the client's questions. The client likes them. He is impressed by their professionalism and creativity. After meeting, they have on a table cakes and apple pies. The client has to take now a ship to his country. Paul and Carol are so happy. They really enjoy what they do at the office. Now the boss closes the office and takes a small truck to his house. That is the end. Bye bye.